Alright guys, good morning to all of you. This is my personal van, so I need to change the spark plug. So I'm gonna show you how to change this spark plug. So I already have a complete spark plug, so 6 because this is a V6. So again, this is a Town&Country Chrysler 4.0 4.0 liter V6. So the first thing to do, you do that is remove the battery terminal, either negative or positive or both. It doesn't matter. Yeah, as long as there's no contact to each other. And pop up this cover. So just only pop up this. Okay guys. So this is a cover engine. So already pop out. And yeah. So because this is faining dust to change the spark plug, so remove this intake assembly. So we also have how many bolts? 1 2 3 4, okay, 5 6, so 6 bolts or 7 10mm bolts. But before you unbolt, just remove all the socket and also the intake hose and AGR line. Yeah, we need to disconnect to attaching on this intake manifold. So, and make sure before you pop up, blow the air. Okay, so let's gonna do that. Alright guys, so right now we need to disconnect the battery. So I'm gonna show you here. This is my battery terminal. So disconnect a negative only. Yeah, it's okay, leave it on positive. And started to disconnect some socket. So this is my map sensor. So why it's loose. So but you need to disconnect this. So pop up this red. And press in. You need more. Yeah, but be careful guys, because sometimes it's no good. Yeah, right now I broke my lock. Yeah, see? But anyway, that's okay. And also this, yeah, this one. Much better guys. So remove this air cleaner, so that's why you have an enough space, a good room. So yeah, wow. Remove this intake hose and just only a clip on this. Okay, take this air filter, keep it. And now you have a space. Make sure this ambient sensor is always remove it, so that's why it's avoid damaging. Yeah, okay. Guys, so remove a bracket for this bolt, so two both side here, front and rear. So, and I already removed everything connected on here. So right now we need to undo all the 10mm bolts. Come here and check at the back if we have another connection, but I think should be good. So let's do that to pop up all these 7 volts. Oh. And after you unbolt this, so do not pull out that, just make sure blow up the air so all the dirt is gone before you remove this, because if you already remove this and it didn't blow up and we have a lot of dirt in here, maybe it's pour on inside the engine, it's no good for the engine. Okay, so okay, I think it should be good. So let's pop up on this intake. Be careful, guys. So if you think we have a the bracket, so like that, yeah, sometimes no good. I think we have more here. We have the line. No. Okay. Careful. All right, so let's check. And I'll get some other newspaper or any kind of paper to put here on the hole for your intake, so that's why any dirt go inside or bolt or your tools, because if you put in there, oh, it's pain in the ass how to remove that. Okay, so I put on the paper. Yeah, put one by one. That's for your safety only, guys. So okay, I already put on the paper on the hole on this intake. So right now we will start to change this spark plug. So remove this socket for the ignition coil. Okay, let's and make sure if during you unplug this all the socket, so check all the pin it's tight and connected, because sometimes this is a problem for misfiring. But right now this my band is no misfiring case, just only I want to change it because it's already 265,000 kilometers, guys. So most of the time this all spark plug after manufacturing just only 68 until 70,000 kilometer running in mandatory to change this spark plug. But because this is my personal own and I need the cheapest maintenance, so right now I just gonna change it. Just only 256. I don't know what the history with this band for it. Maybe somebody is already changed it, because this is I am the second owner on this my band, so I don't have a history. But I bought this band is only 240,000 kilometer, and right now it's already 265, I think, or 268,000 kilometer. So just only run more than 20,000 kilometer because I don't have a history, so that's why I want to change it. Okay, so yeah, and now I already removed this, and this is a 10mm also. Yeah, and be careful and check Should be good. It's too nice and clean. Yeah, this. So just remove one by one. Okay, and this is a 5/8 deep socket, spark plug deep socket, but is it okay? You can use at a normal deep socket. At this is 5/8. Okay, and remove this. Oh, see, it's too much gap. And this my spark plug is, it's very different. Here, let's compare it. As long as the same height, so it's okay. Yeah. See? Oh. You see this? This one is too much gap now. And look at my new. And compare on the old. But this one is a long tip. And this one is short tip, but it looks the same. So I think should be good. Let's try. Okay, put the new here and make sure it doesn't pull. This is not too much tight, guys, so control your tightening. Okay, that's it. And now put it back to your ignition coil. So check it. As long the spring inside is connected to the tip of your spark plug. So now it's good. So 10mm. Alright guys, so that's why easy to replace the spark plug. So do it at the same and on other remaining 5. 3 on this right side and 3 on the left side. So before you connect this socket, so make sure everything is good, the wiring is good. Yeah. And for now, my wiring and socket is good, so I want to put it back. Okay, done. That's it. So yeah, do it another one, and the remaining 5. Cleaning your side on this before you put it back the intake. So guys, that's it. So yeah, again, this is no case on this my van. I want to change it only for maintenance. But is it the problem, this is the right time to change it because this is the old my spark plug. So look at the gap, it's too big compared on the new one. Here, comparing the new one, see? And all too big, right? I don't know if I'm gonna show you properly, but see, it's too big. It's already born on the tip. Compare on this my new. Okay guys, so this is the right time. I'm lucky because it's not giving a misfiring. Okay, so that's it guys. So yeah, we hope you enjoy. Again, this is a Chrysler Town&Country. 2010. It's easy to change it. Do it yourself. It's okay. Alright, and we hope you enjoy my video. And thank you so much. Give me a big thumbs up.